Assalamu alaikum. Amira here. How are you all? So today I'm here with a new recipe of duck meat. I hope you all like duck meat. So today I'm going to share with you the whole process. Well, I have taken here 1 kilo of duck meat, and I'll be adding other ingredients while cooking, and also I'll be mentioning to you what I'm putting inside, what masalas I'm adding, and till the end please stick with me, be patient with me, cooperate with me. So let's begin. So as you cannot see but feel, the pan is hot, so I'm already giving this oil. I'm not putting too much oil because from duck we will get extra oil. Duck is of like full of oil. I'll show you. Like you can see the skin here, and you can see how much fat here. It's attached with the skin, and the skin consists full of fats, everything. Okay, to mention, I didn't cut this duck, my husband did. He's good at these things. Okay, so now I have taken here 2 big onions, so I'm putting them out. Okay, so let's begin. So we are gonna cook this onion for a while till it turns color to become a golden color. So while my onion is getting ready, I just made ready this masalas. So you can have here red chili powder, salt, turmeric, cumin powder, garam masala, 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, and what did I add more? Coriander powder, and that's it. So these are the masalas that I just made it ready. So we are just waiting for onions to be done. Ouch, the oil just came to my hand. I hope it's not burned. Okay, so we are just waiting for onions to be done, and then we will add the garlic and ginger paste and these other masalas. Stick with me. Okay, I forgot to mention, I also added cardamom powder and cinnamon powder. So yeah, I think that's it. I didn't add anything more. So yeah. So after cooking onion for a while, as you can see, it has been sauteed. So now I'll add garlic and ginger paste. I have taken a bit more because we can find a little bit smell in duck because of this fat, and of course this fat is more yummy, so we cannot throw this fat. So I'm just cooking this garlic and ginger paste for a while. I'll not cook for like long time because it may burn. So I'm just mixing it up. As you can see, I have put little oil because, as I have mentioned, the duck will release more oil. So that's why I don't want oil to overflow. Okay, I can smell this garlic and ginger, it smells so good. Okay, so it's getting brown, so I'm adding this masalas together. So I'll be adding a bit of water. So after adding little bit water, okay, why did I add water? Because I don't want my masalas to get burned and not to cook in a proper way. So I want to cook my masalas in a bit longer in a medium heat. So I'm just reducing it. So it will get cooked for a while. It's better I add a bit more water. So I want my masalas to get cooked in a nice way so that we don't get this smell. We means me and my husband. Of course my husband is at home today, that's why I'm cooking this special meal for him. So let's wait till my masalas are cooked. So as you can see, my masala is beautifully cooked. The oil has separated from the masala, the onion and everything, and it smells great already. So I'm not gonna burn my masala, and my heat is still on medium, little bit more than medium. So I'm gonna add this ducks. So come on, duck, make it more tasty. Duck meat is not my favorite, but I have it whenever I get it, so it's okay. Okay, so what we are gonna do now is, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna add any more water right now because we will get enough water from this duck, and with that water the masalas and the duck will be cooked almost. So I'm trying to cook this duck with this masala so that the smell goes away and it tastes delicious. So stick with me till the end. Let's mix. Okay, so we are back to duck. As you can see, the duck is releasing water. I didn't add any extra water, so it's cooking by its own now. I'm not concerned, just I'm occasionally stirring, and the heat is on bit low medium so that the masalas and everything doesn't get burned. So let's just wait. So we are back to duck again. Let's see what's the condition. Wow, did you just see that? It's already flooded, and I swear I didn't add a little drop of water. This all water has come out from the duck, so I don't think I have to add more water. I think in medium low heat it will get cooked with the same water, with same masala and everything. Maybe at the end I'll just taste the salt. Just look at this, nice. So I'm gonna cover it and leave it like this. Bye bye duck. So okay, we are back to our duck now. As you can see, it's almost done. The oil has separated from the water and it has become heavier, but now I have tasted and I feel like the meat will be a little bit more softer, and I also assume that maybe bones will be done more. And I also added a bit of salt. I feel like Ariana, I'm sorry for the interruption, and I feel like the salt is little, so I'm gonna add little bit more water to it, just a little, not much, because of course I need it to dry. So I'm just gonna mix it up. As you know from the beginning that Ariana, sorry, my children are playing here. So I have not added any water since the beginning, as you saw from start. So right now I just added because I feel like so I have added a little bit water, and as you can see my heat is still low, so I'm gonna increase a bit so that it comes to boil. And then once it comes to boil, I will put it to medium heat now, because it's almost cooked. I feel like it's 95% cooked, and for 5% more it will take time, and this water, it should reduce a bit more. So I'm not going to add any other masalas, so let's wait for the boil, and then I'll cover it with the lid, and I will put the heat to medium, from high to medium. Okay, so I'll show you the dish. As you can see, the oil has already come up, so it means the curry is ready. I'm just waiting for the meat to be more tender, because I like tender meat. I don't like to chew the hard one. Okay, let's wait then. It already has come to boil, so I'll just cover it and put it to medium heat. So I'm back after a while, so let's check. Still I can see there water, and oil has already been separated. So I think the meat is done already. So I'm gonna increase the heat so that the water reduces faster, and I don't think I need to taste anymore, as I have added salt. So just to be a bit tender, and I'm feeling like it's a bit tender now, so I can eat. So let's wait till the oil comes up. So as you can see, the water has reduced and the oil has come up already. So I'm going to off this stove, and it's done. So I'm gonna set this aside, and later I can show you the taste of it. Of course I cannot show you the taste because it's intangible, but at least I can make you feel that. The smell is so incredible. You can have this with khichdi or roti, paratha. It will taste amazing.